All right, we're going to try a new segment here on the show. It's called Turning Tip Tuesday. If you have any questions about any of the tools, products, techniques I use in the videos, leave them below in the comments and we will start working our way through the list. We'll go over one each week. It'll be a short video going over that question. But today we're going to start with general woodworking, and there are 2 rules you need to know before you buy your first tool. And number 1 is always pre-drill. It will save you a ton of headaches, no exceptions. And rule number 2 is you should have learned this in shop class or from your parents. Never put pop can, beer can, glass of water, anything with condensation on any of your cast iron tools, table saw, bandsaw, joiner, lathe, anything. So if you didn't learn that from your shop teacher, I would maybe look into, finding a different school. If you didn't learn it from your parents, maybe adoption's an option. There's only one time that you can ignore rule number 1, and that is if your so-called buddy comes over and puts his pop can down on your bandsaw. The next time he asks you to help him hang kitchen cabinets, you just grab a hammer and a fistful of framing nails. All right. If you have any questions, leave them below in the comments and we'll get started next week. Take care.